5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start.
Writ petition number 362/2012 has been filed seeking mandamus to the respondent number 2, Bureau of Indian Standards (BIS) to establish and publish Indian standard for the safety device auto dipper claimed by the petitioner to be an essential safety device under section 110 of the Motor Vehicles Act 1988 and to notify the foreign standard J-567 semi-automatic headlamp beam switching devices in which the petitioner was holding a patent as Indian standard under Rule 8 of the Bureau of Indian Standards Rules 1987 till the time respondent number 2 BIS further evolves and formulates its own standard full stop. WP number 561/2011 is filed impleading besides Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, Government of India, also National Road Safety Council, Vehicle Research and Development Establishment, Automotive Research Association of India, Central Farm Machinery Testing and Training Institute and Council of Scientific and Industrial Research (CSIR), Indian Institute of Petroleum and seeking directions for mandatory implementation of Rule 109 of the Motor Vehicles Rule 1989 read with 110 of the Motor Vehicles Act 1988 and for mandatory fitment of auto dipper in every motor vehicle full stop. The counsels have been heard full stop. The counsel for the petitioner contends that the legislature has thus treated auto dipper as essential to the safety of drivers, passengers and other road users full stop. He argues that in exercise of the power under section 110, the central government in the year 1994 amended Rule 125 of the Motor Vehicles Rule 2 in sub rules (3) and (4) thereof provide that within 3 years therefrom every goods vehicle and heavy passenger vehicle shall be equipped with an auto dipper, and within 4 years therefrom every motor vehicle other than motor vehicles and three-wheeler of engine capacity not exceeding 500 cc shall be equipped with an auto dipper full stop. Attention is next invited to the amendment dated 15th January 1997 to the Motor Vehicle Rules providing in Rule 127 (4) thereof that every motor vehicle other than a motorcycle and three-wheeler of engine capacity not exceeding 500 cc shall be equipped with an auto dipper full stop. It is contended that the petitioner first approached the BIS in the year 2011 for establishing the standard for a auto dipper, but BIS asked the petitioner to pay cost of rupees 2 crores, and upon failure of the petitioner to pay the same, the BIS did not establish the standard of an auto dipper, and resulting in notwithstanding the amendments of the years 1993 and 1998 to the Motor Vehicles Rule full stop.